is. If you are having any doubt, you can straight away ask me. Okay? If you don't know the word, tell me. I'll guide you. Okay? Jahnavi, take your 4-line notebook. Where is Jahnavi?
Ma'am, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Lakshana. Take your 4-line notebook and write ma. Dictation. First word is.
Vanilla ma'am, she is having some running nose complaint, ma'am. She is not able to attend the class today, ma'am. Just she will
Okay.
listen to you what you are.
Okay. No issue.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Finished. Now the second word is an. 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 Number 2. An. Finished. Number 3. It. Number 3. It.
Ma'am, second one.
Second one is an. 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 Two-letter word, right? First is a. A means what letter you will write? That you have to write. Means what you will write? That you have to write. Okay? Very good, Nukshita. Pranita, finish?
And
what is second word, ma'am?
Second word is an.
And
ma'am, ma'am.
An.
Oh, ma'am.
Rohita. Naughty girl. Shall we pass on to the third one? If you have finished, show me thumbs up, children. Finish means show me thumbs up. Yeah, Rohita, Farnas, Shita.
Ma'am, first word, second word, na ma'am?
First word வந்து is.
Itta ma'am?
எனக்கு எப்படி கைட் பண்ணுனா isனா ஈனா என்ன லெட்டர் எழுதணும்? ஈ ஃபோனிக் சவுண்டுக்கு என்ன லெட்டர் எழுதணும்? isனா என்ன லெட்டர் எழுதணும்? அப்படி கைட் பண்ணுங்க.
சரிங்க.
Ma'am, that one.
Yes, ma, Nukshita. Third one, it. First word is. Second word is an.
Is not.
Number 2 one is an. Okay, Lakshana? And number 3 is it. Please don't guide them, parents. Let them do it on their own. If they are feeling difficult to write, tell them only the phonic sound. E means what letter you will write. The phonic sound E means what letter you will write. T means what letter you will write. Like that you have to guide them. But please don't say the dictation word. Like an is an, you write this. Like that, please don't guide them. Yeah, good. Farna's finished. Arnika, Farnas. Darshika, take your 4-line notebook and write the dictation, ma. Number 1 is. Number 2, an. Number 3, it. So far, we have finished 3 words. Is, and, it. 3 words.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Darshika. To you only I am telling. Take your 4-line notebook and write dictation. Number 1 is, number 2 and number 3 is it. Rohita finished? As soon as you finish, what you should show? Didn't show thumbs up. Evaindi Rohita.
చెప్పు ఎస్ మ్యామ్ అని చెప్పు
Ma'am.
Thumbs up.
థమ్స్ అప్ చెప్పు
Thumbs up. That's thumbs up. That's pencil up. Very good, Karnika. Good. Okay, moving on to the fourth word. On. Vishank, what is the spelling for on? On. Vishank, tell me the spelling for on. Nitla is answering. On spelling. Well done, Vishank. Very good boy. You only said no, O and on. Come on, take your plate and write, Vishank.
Good morning, Vanilla ma'am.
Plate and write, Vishank.
Yeah, giving it, ma'am.
Vanilla ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, Nighting. Good morning, Nighting. Good morning, Ritvik. Then who else? Good, everyone finished. Nighting, we are taking down dictation. And you are taking down your tiffin, ah? Okay, take your 4-line notebook and write. Fifth word. We are going to go to the fifth word. Fifth word is as. 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 See here. As. Okay. See what letter you will write for a. A means and so ma'am, and snake is in the grass. That letter you have to write. As. Children, think and write. Don't get help from your parents. Parents, guide them like how I said. Tell them only the phonic sound. Let them identify the letter and then write. 2 letters. First sound is a and the second sound is is. As. Ithila, finish, ma? Ithila, what is the spelling for as? Very good, Tarnika. Tarnika, Farnaz, Ashini, good. Rohita, as. What is the spelling for as?
And.
Okay. Don't say all the words, only as. Yes, Vidya. Sorry. Yes, Vishan.
Ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, Vidya. Yeah, Vishan. Okay, now the 6th word finished. 6th word is in. In. Good morning, Masatika. In. Those who have joined now, I'm telling you one more time. Number 1, all of you take your 4-line notebook, write today's date and write dictation on top of it. And then you have to write number 1 is, number 2 and, number 3 it, number 4 on, number 5 as, number 6 in. 6 words I have told right now. So finish all those 6 words. Come on. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Raise your hand those who have finished all the 6 words. Raise your hand those who have finished.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
fifth
Hashni,
word. What is the
Nikhila,
fifth
Hashni,
word?
Varnas.
Fifth word.
Fifth word, as. Tarnika. Nightek.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear, Nightek? Vidyut, what are you writing, ma Vidyut? Finished all the
Finished,
words?
ma'am.
Very good, Vidyut. See now how beautifully he's writing, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you. Seventh one, ma'am. Seventh
Seventh
one,
one,
ma'am.
wow, Nukshita. Seventh one is if. If. E. If. If. Nightik, any doubts, Nightik? Nightik, Kartikeyan, Ritvik, you all join now, no? Any doubt?
Writing.
Why Rohita is crying, ma? What happened, Rohita? No crying like this, ma. What happened? Tell me. Rohita's mom, what happened to her?
Nothing, ma'am. She knows, but she don't write, ma'am.
Why? You are going to get star now, Rohita. Don't want
Star and
star?
what? Star, you want star? Which star
Yeah,
you want?
your mama is going to give you star, okay? Don't cry. Come on, wipe your eyes. Smile.
Smiling, smiley face.
Smile.
Good, ma. Vanilla, ma'am, then fill smell.
Forget the Lord and cry, yeah. Chichi. No, come on. Slowly, no issues. Yes, ma, Kartikeyan.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Dev Krish. Yes, ma, Kartikeyan. I was not able to hear you, ma.
Third one, ma'am. Is
Third one is number 1 is number 2 and number 3 it. It.
it. Okay, ma'am.
Number 4 on.
On.
Number 5 as.
As.
Number 6 in. Number 7
Okay.
if. Dev Krish, take your notebook and write, Dev Krish.
Finish, ma'am.
Write dictation on top of it and then start writing.
Thank you, ma'am.
Eighth word on. Sorry, on is finished, right? Off. Off. Number 8 off.
7 word.
Off, Rohita.
Vanilla, ma'am, 7. Ma'am, 7.
Seventh one if.
If one.
Look at me, Rohita. Rohita, E. E means what you will write? E. What you will write? I. Then this is if. See here.
ఇలాంటి నువ్వు రెండు
Very good. That's it. You're going to write.
రాసా
Very good, Rohita. Devkrish, mom, note down these words and give him a dictation.
Ma'am, tell me the words, ma'am.
If and you note it down, Devkrish, mom, and then slowly you
Okay,
tell
ma'am.
it.
Okay, tell me, ma'am.
Is an it on as in if of and next is so. Number 9 so and number 10 to. 9 is so. So what all you will write is that one and oh. That letter you have to write. Okay. Yes, Vidyut, what is the spelling for so, Vidyut? What is the spelling for so? Huh?
So, even in the so,
Yes.
correct. The
The spelling that comes for so is
the So, the letter is there. Letter is there. Correct.
sleeping. Ah, morning itself sleeping.
The letter is
Yes, Nakshita.
Oh, correct.
What is the spelling for so? Very good, Vidyut. Very good. Yes, ma, Nakshita.
Correct.
Thank you. Ninth one, ma'am.
Ninth one only so. So. See here. Nukshita, look at me. Nukshita, chudu. Oh, you have tried. What is this? What letter you will write for this?
Yes, ma'am.
Then it's so dark, the light go on. Oh. That letter you have to write. Okay. 10th one is 2. 2. Dikshan, what is the spelling for 2?
AU2.
Huh? T-O-2. Good. Well done. Very good. 10 words I have written. Parents, we are going to start the session. By the time the answer, I want you to
Eat.
Ma'am, which is the eighth word?
off.
Okay, ma'am.
9 is so and 10th one is 2. Parents, I want you to correct it by the time we'll finish our Kidzi anthem and attendance. Okay, those are finished. Hand over your notebook to your parents. Okay, and let me know the marks, how much you have got. Okay, now we are going to start the session. Who is going to say Kidzi anthem now? Who is going to say Kidzi anthem?
Sini.
I can Kavyani, I think you have already told this week. Yes? Okay, I'll give chance for Karthikeyan this time. Okay, Karthikeyan, come on. All of you can join your hands. Very good. Close your eyes, children, all of you. Wait, ma. Ready? Yeah, close your eyes. Kidzi anthem.
Your clinic, my protection inside. You're the wind, winning my flight. You find me, my protection inside. Today I slept all my night. I shall achieve you, my protection inside.
Yes, open your eyes. Good morning. Yes, all of you unmute yourself and say good morning to mom. Yeah, very good morning. Double good morning. Yeah, good morning. Good morning, Nightik. Okay, shall we start our attendance? Lakshika. Very good, Darshika. Dev Krish. Dikshan.
I'm in 4 years old. I'm studying in junior KG.
Very good, Farnas.
Nani, ma'am, I am at Farnas Fatima. I am studying junior KG.
Very good. Hashini.
My name is Ashani. I am studying in junior KG. I am a girl.
Okay, Janavi. Karthikeyan. Very good. Kavyani.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Kavyali. I'm studying in junior KG. I'm forest school. I'm Kidzi girl.
Very good, Kavyani. And then Naitik.
My name is Naitik. I am studying in junior KG.
Nukshita.
My name is Nuchita. I'm studying junior KG. I'm 4 years old. I'm Kishika.
Very good. Pranita.
Upper nuclear. Good
Unmute
morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. I am Pranita. I am studying in junior KG.
Okay. Pranita, did you write all the 10 words, dictation words, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, come on, give it to your dad and let him correct it. Okay? Rohita. Rohita.
Sorry, sorry.
Hey, I want lollipop. I want lollipop.
Hi, ma'am.
Attendance. My name is
Soika, 4 years old, junior KG, and Kidji girl.
Rohita, I too want lollipop.
Vanilla. Ma'am also want
No
lollipop.
lollipop for vanilla, mama. Not going to talk to you. Sarah, thank you so much.
It's right.
Ma'am, actually today she bunked the class. She won't.
Okay. Ritvik.
I am Latvik. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Very good. Nitila.
சத்தம் சொல்லுங்க. My name is Nila. I am a person. I am a Kidji girl.
I am studying in.
I'm studying in junior KG.
I am a Kidji girl.
Very good. Satvika.
My name is Satika. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Very good. Siddharth. Siddharth. Tarnika.
My name is Tanika. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Very good, Tarnika. Tilakar. Vishank.
Good morning, ma'am.
My name is Vishnu.
My name is Sushank.
Studying.
I'm studying in junior KG.
Very good.
I'm
Vivan.
4 years old.
Very good. Vivan. Vivan.
Loudly.
Huh?
Loudly.
What? One day I'm going to come to your house and see what is going to happen. Vidyut. Vidyut.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am is here, ma'am. Ma'am is here. Not there. Ma'am is here. Look at your ma'am and tell me your attendance, ma.
I'm studying in junior KG for this one.
Okay, what is the name of your ma'am? Why are you looking there? Huh? Who is your ma'am? She is mom and I am ma'am, okay? Steady? Steady?
You won't say her name, ma'am.
You won't tell my name? Oh my god. Okay, Lakshana.
வேற ஒண்ணும் இல்ல உட்காரு.
Lakshana.
Ma'am,
போறியா சொல்லு.
I'm studying junior KG.
My name is Modlo.
My name is Lakshana. I'm studying junior KG.
I am
I am
4 years old. அங்க பாரு.
I am 4 years old.
Very good. Thank you so much. Then now I want all of you to stand up. For the rhymes time. Come on, stand up all of you.
Stand up. ஏந்திரச்சு நிக்க சொல்றாங்க.
Next time is if you are happy and you know it. Okay? Shall we start? If you are happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you are happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, tap your thighs. If you're happy and you know it, tap your thighs. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, tap your thighs. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. Now will you turn around? Be careful, Vishang. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. Be careful, children. Those are standing on the chair. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Ready for roly-poly? Roly-poly. Up. Roly-poly, down, down, down. Roly-poly, right. Roly-poly, left. Roly-poly, front. Roly-poly, back. Back means where you will clap. Back. Roly-poly, tall. Roly-poly, short. Roly-poly. What is it? Roly-poly. Roly-poly. Open. Roly-poly, close. Roly-poly, big. Roly-poly, small. Roly-poly, slowly. Roly-poly. Fast. Clap your hands, all of you. Now we are going to rote count from 1 to 100. Are you all ready for that? Ma'am is going to count and you are going to jump. All of you should jump, okay? Everybody jump. Ready, steady, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now how shall I count? Fast or slow? How shall I count? Fast or slow? Fast. Okay, we will count fast. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Next. Fast or slow? Slow. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Mute yourself, Lakshana. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. After 80, what will come? What will come, ma'am? Forgot. What will come, children, after 80? 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. After 85? 85. 88, 89, 90, 91, 92. What will come next after 92? 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. After 99? 100. So all of you go inside, drink one glass of water and come back fast. Come on, drink some water and come back fast. Today we are going to learn about seasons.
Ma'am, Vishank has sent the homework and the recording as well, ma'am.
Yeah, I have seen. Thank you. Ready, children? I want you to be ready with your cutouts also. Take your cutouts and keep it ready with you. Before that, I want you to look outside and say, how is it? Is it very hot or is it raining? How is it? Come on, look outside and tell me, everyone. Look outside and tell me, how is it?
It's so cool.
Can you see the sun, or is it raining, or is it cloudy?
I can
Or
see
is it very cold? How is it?
Sunny. Mom, it's raining here, Mom.
Where? Where it is raining? For me, Vishank, it is raining, huh?
Please, house.
Oh my God! But here it is not raining.
Mom, it's sun.
Vishank, is it raining, Vishank? You have seen outside, right? Now in the 4 cards you have. One, you have the sun, that is the summer season, okay? And the second, you have the snowman, that is the winter season. Winter season means it will be very cold, you will wear sweater and all, okay? So that is winter season. And the third one, it is monsoon or rainy season. Okay, monsoon or rainy season. And the fourth one is spring season. Okay, it will be greenish everywhere and you can see lot of flowers in the plants and all. Okay, now look outside and take any one card and show it to me. Let me see what season you have observed now. If it is outside, you can see the sun outside. Then you have to take the sun card. You can see the sun. Okay, and then if it is very cold like that, you have to take this snowman card. Or if it is raining, take the rain card. Or else, is it spring season? What is that? Take it out.
What cutout?
The cutout. I think you don't know because Karthikeyan was not there yesterday, right? I'll tell you. Take a A4 sheet and you have to draw 4 like this, 4 pictures. Cut it and paste it in a cardboard.
Mom, it's Rohita.
Yes. Come on, Rohita. How is it?
It's snowman.
No. So, okay. It is winter. So, it is winter only. Okay. Next.
Winter. So cold.
Next. Yes. Asmi. Yes, Asmi. Sunny. You can see the sun. So I have put the sun card. Okay. Good. Next. Good. Sun you can see. Okay. Many of you can see the sun. Okay. But this is winter season. Okay, children. This season is winter because it is very cold. Okay. At night time, what your mama will do? She'll be giving you sweater and she'll often give you hot water and all, right? So it is winter season. As you can see the sun outside, you have taken the sun card. But sun card denotes it is summer. Okay, you can see in the screen. It is summer. What do you mean by summer? Summer means it will be very hot and you will sweat a lot. Okay? You can see the bright sun. See here. If you go out in the sun, it will be very hot. Summer is a very hot season. Okay? Summer is a very hot season and winter is a very cold season. Okay? And then what all you use in summer? What all you use in summer? You use sunglasses to protect your eyes from the sunlight. Then you like to eat ice cream. Yes or no? It will be very hot at that time, no? So you will be liking to eat ice cream. And then when you go outside, you will wear a cap also. It will be very hot, right? So you will wear a cap. And then what is the fruit that you can see in that season, summer season? Mangoes, yes, you can see lot of mangoes and all in summer season, okay? And then what are these dresses? These dresses are cotton dresses, okay? In summer season, we prefer to wear cotton dresses so that it will absorb all the sweat. We'll sweat a lot, right? In summer, when we go outside in the hot time, you will sweat. So at that time, when you wear cotton clothes, it will be very comfortable for you. Okay, and then what is this? What is this? What is this? Water. Yes, you have to drink lots and lots of water. Why? Because when it sweats, all the water comes out of your body and you will get dehydrated. So you have to take lot of water in the summer season. Okay, and then see here, this girl. Can see this girl. What is happening to this girl?
Chabu,
What is
that?
happening?
Huh?
Yeah, she's walking in sun. See here in the hot season. She is sweating like anything. See here. She is sweating. How much of water is coming out of her? See, and she is very tired. For that, what you have to do? You have to take lot of juices, water, vegetables, fruits and all. Okay? And see here. In the summer season, where would you like to go? Where would you like to go in summer season? You'd like to go to summer season, okay? Because beach there is lot of water and children likes to play in the beach water, okay? And then watermelon, tender coconut, lots of fruits and vegetables. Not only mangoes you can see in that season, you can also see watermelon also. Okay, children, watermelon and drinking lot of tender coconut, it's also good for your health. And you should also have lots of fruits and vegetables. Okay, so summer season, you have to drink lot of water, lot of juice, and you have to eat healthy vegetables and fruits. Okay, children, and what clothes you will wear? You have to wear cotton clothes. Okay, when you wear cotton clothes only, it will be very comfortable for you. Okay, so now we are going to do our worksheet. Worksheet number is 111 CT. CT. Write today's date, children. Yesterday itself I told you how you have to write in the given space below here. Today's date is 6/1/2021. Six 1/2021 and write your name. Hereafter you should not write above the worksheet, children. In the given space itself you have to try to write, because all of you have started writing. I have seen your homeworks also, it's very beautiful. So hereafter you should try to write in the given space below where it is mentioned as name and date. Okay. And what we are going to do here we are going to tick the things you see in summer. Now only ma'am showed you, right? What all you saw in the presentation which I showed you, children. In summer season, can you see mangoes?
Ma'am, page number என்ன ma'am?
111. D111. Worksheet number இங்க கீழ கொடுத்திருக்கும் பாருங்க. D111. Come on children, answer. Devkrish, can you see mangoes in summer season?
311.
Who is that? Devkrish.
Ravita ma'am.
Yes, so you are going to put a tick mark.
Yeah.
Tick mark. Okay. Next, can you see lightning and rain in summer season?
No.
Can you see rain? Will it rain in summer?
What then?
You have to cross it out. X. Okay, wrong.
Yeah, wrong.
And then can you see a snowman in summer season?
No.
No, so that is also wrong.
Wrong.
And then you would like to play in water?
Yes.
Yes, so put tick mark.
Ravita always playing water.
In winter season also you are playing, Rohita.
Yes ma'am, daily she full of
Okay, and then
water.
children, you will like to play in the beach in summer season?
No.
No.
No, what?
ఎందుకు? Why?
Children will go and play in the beach in summer season because there is lot of water, right? So they will love to go and play there, okay? And can you see the bright sun in the summer season?
Yes.
Yes, so that is also correct. Very good. Finished? And next is our number worksheet. Yesterday we did number 8181, 8282. Okay, today we are going to do 8383 and 8484. For that I need a volunteer to count this group of tens for 83. Who is going to count? One worksheet number is 112, 112. empty. You will have 83 and 84 number. Who is going to count today? Write today's date and your name in the worksheet.
Satvika.
Come on, Satvika. Count.
10, 20, 30, 40,
Hmm.
50,
Hmm.
60,
Hmm.
70,
Hmm.
80,
Hmm.
81, 82, 83.
Very good, Satvika. Well done, Kana. Very good. Okay, next 84. Who is going to count for ma'am? Please help ma'am to count, no?
84.
Who is going to count? Pranita is going to count. Come on, Pranita. Count this group of tens. Come on.
20, 30, 40.
10. Slowly. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84.
84.
84. First number that you have to write is 8 and then only you have to write 4. 83. 8 you have to write first and then you have to write 3. Children, I am telling you again, don't write 8 first and then 3. It's wrong. The whole number you have to write 83. Spell and write. Everyone, please spell and write whenever you are writing the number. Then you will get that mirroring problem like 8383. Instead of that, you will write 38. Like that, you will start writing. Okay. So please spell and write whatever you are writing. Finish the whole number and move on to the next box.
Ma'am, I'm finished.
Very good, ma. If you finished math worksheet, you can take the phonic worksheet. That is also number 112, PH. Write your name and date, be ready. Let me know when you have finished, children.
Ma'am.
This one?
Finish, everyone.
Spell it first. Ah,
Okay.
Wait, ma, Rohita, we'll do it along with others. Wait. Mute yourself and wait. Okay, shall we start doing this worksheet, children? Dev Krish, Dikshan, Naitik, Farnas. Everyone finished? Tarnika, Ritvik. Yeah, finished. Okay, we'll start with this. Okay. So, what picture you see here, Farnas? Farnas, what is this picture, ma? Cap. What is the initial sound, starting sound? Ka. Ka means what you write here. Very good. C for cap. C-A-P, cap. Okay. Next is diction. What is this picture? Diction.
Cap.
Kappa.
Hat.
Hat. What will you write? The first sound. Hat. Ha. Ha means what you have to write? Huh?
Yes.
Very good diction. Next is Ritvik. What is it, Ritvik? Ritvik, what is this?
6.
6. What is the starting sound? Right? 6. Okay. So what will you write here? Means what will you write?
Ma'am, we don't have this page, ma'am.
You don't have any other page for phonics you have?
Yes, ma'am. Different one.
That you can do. Let me see. That also you can do.
Okay, ma'am.
What is that page?
Page number 112 PH only, ma'am.
PH, what pictures are given?
Picture is cat, bat, and pig.
Initial sound you have to find out, or what phonic sound they have asked to find out.
They have given, ma'am, for like C or B, P or F,
Okay.
like that.
Okay, do it. Then do that one. Tell him the phonic sound and let him identify.
Okay, ma'am.
6 means yes. Sound means yes, you will be writing. Okay. And the next one is rod. R. R means what you will write. Dev Krish. Rod. Very good. Next one. Sun. What will you write here, children? Sun. Naitek. Next is pup. Nukshita, pup, pup. Is the first sound. What will you write? Means what will you write?
P.
Very good, Nukshita. P. From the blue line to the red line. Follow the line, children. Pup. Finished? Yes, now tell me the marks, how much you have got. Yeah, I'm going to note it down. First, Dev Krish, tell me how much marks you have got, ma. Dev Krish,
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
how much marks did you get, ma, Dev Krish?
Ma'am, C.
How much marks? Tell me.
10 marks, ma'am.
10.
Yes.
Wow, 10 out of 10. Very good. Give him stars. Okay, next is diction.
Writing, ma'am.
What are you writing? Test marks. Today I gave you dictation, right? How much did you get in that?
Yes, ma'am. He got 9, ma'am.
9. Well done. Correct your mistake, whatever you have done, okay? And then
Okay, ma'am.
Farnaz, yeah, ma, welcome. Farnaz,
10, ma'am.
very good, Farnaz. Hashini,
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
very good. Okay, Janu is absent. Karthikeyan,
8, ma'am.
8.
8, ma'am.
8. Very good, Karthikeyan. Kavyani,
9 marks, ma'am.
wow, Kavyani. High five, Kana. Very good improvement, Kavyani. Well done, ma. Next,
Okay, ma'am.
Pranita. Pranita, how much, ma?
9 out of 10.
9. Very good, Pranita. Well done. Nitek.
Ma'am, there is
10 out of 10.
Wow, Nitek. Nukshita.
Ravita.
Nukshita.
Yes.
Nukchita.
How much, Nukshita?
10, ma'am.
10. Very good, Nukshita. Rohita.
Okay, ma'am.
Marks chepu.
Rohita.
Next,
Yes.
next 10. No.
10, na?
10 marks, ma'am.
10. Why are you laughing for that? Any cheating?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Not cheating. But
Okay, okay. Then Ritvik.
6, ma'am. 8, ma'am. 8, ma'am.
Very good. Satvika. Satvika.
8, ma'am.
8. Correct your mistakes, Satvika, Ritvik and all, okay? Good. Tarnika, 10 na? Tarnika,
8, ma'am.
10. I know she'll get 10. Very good. Vishan,
Ma'am, Vishank, he couldn't write, ma'am, here. The space is not enough. He couldn't keep the
Okay.
note and write. We'll do it and send you the marks, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Vivan, how much did you get, ma?
10, ma'am.
10. Very good. Vidyut, what a big star, woman.
10, ma'am. He wrote everything today.
Everything, really?
Yes,
Vidyut,
ma'am, he wrote.
a virtual hug for you, Vidyut. Very smart, very good, Vidyut. Well done, very good improvement. 10, okay. Lakshana. Lakshana and Nitila.
The Ma'am,
எவ்வளவு எடுத்திருக்காங்க லட்சுமி?
10 words ma'am. நீங்க சொன்னது இருக்காங்க.
10 எழுதிட்டாங்களா?
எழுதிட்டாங்க ma'am.
சரி, ஓகே, வெரி
Ma'am,
குட்.
Mithila 7 ma'am. 7 ma'am.
இதுல
7 ma'am.
7.
Yes ma'am.
Very good. Well done, children. Anyone? Did I miss out anyone? Very good. Darshika. Why 8? What you have done mistake in that?
She didn't write too much.
Yes?
She didn't write last two.
Okay. Okay. Those have done mistakes. Those have got 8, 9 and all. Correct your mistakes. Okay. Whatever you have done. Okay, children. Thank you so much. You all have done your dictation very, very well. A big round of applause for you. Okay. Very good. Thank you so much for your cooperation, children. Bye, everyone. Bye.
सर किसे आपने दिया
Nithila amma.
Yes ma'am. Ma'am, yesterday.
நாளைக்கு எடுத்துரும் Nithila amma.
Okay ma'am. Okay ma'am. No problem.